Oh, you're watching cars. You're watching cars together, hey? Yay! Nandito ang mga pinsan ni Nitro ngayon. Oh, Romeo. I mean, go like this. Yeah. Nitro.
Rana, can you have the please? Come on. Let Nitro have his fun. His bike.
Look, look. Oh, you got the axe. Oh, there you go. Get the bike back, that's right. Bike. Bike. Yay. Bike. Oh. Yeah. Oh, Nyla May's here and Romeo's here. Nandito ang pinsan mo. Oh, nandito si Tita. Yan, no? Yeah, Mio and Nyla. Hey. Come on, go play, buddy. Go play. Yeah, he's got the bike, hey. Yeah, you want to ride the bike? Yeah, he's okay. You can ride the bike.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because...
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Spang Twin Vlogs tayo Pabibo.
Bebe.
Pabibe! You say Pabibe! Medyo matagal na nung nag-upload kami ng last video namin. So ngayon, we are back.
Ikaw lang ang matagal mag-upload. Ako po, punta po kayo sa channel ko, Shanta Woolly. May upload ako doon, madami.
Sana all. So, Wonder Fam, we are selling everything. As in, ibenta namin ang lahat ng gamit namin. Yung TV cabinet, yung ilaw na yan, mga ibang toys ni Nitro din. Or siguro ibigay na lang namin mga toys ni Nitro sa iba.
Donate yung toys.
Yeah, i-donate natin yung toys.
Tapos, ito yung lining chairs. Couch.
Leaning chairs daw. Yung mga, couch namin, ibenta din. Tsaka table namin, yung desk ni Shanta.
Desk ko. Tingnan nyo yung desk ko, maganda yan. Kaya lang may madaming gamit. Pero maganda yan. Kasi ano siya, very smooth yung mechanism niya. Tapos ito may pair pa na chair na pink, of course.
Ayaw.
Tapos kasama na din yung box na to. Joke lang. Tapos itong table namin, pagpasensyahan nyo na po yung kalat dyan kay Dwayne yan. So itong table namin, pair yan ng ganito. So pag bibilhin nyo to, bilhin nyo na din yun.
Itong cabinet nito hindi kasama kasi this is for my board game. Okay, so look, yun yung board game ko. Mga boxes, mga tokens, dice, ganun. Ito yung mga miniatures din. Oh, diba? Daming miniatures. Mga ibang cards, more dice. These are all for the board game. So I'm leaving this here. And then I'm going to the Philippines. Pero, babalikan ko din to. We got a shoe cabinet as well. Ibibenta namin yan. Ref din, Shanta. Ang ref namin, di ba? We're going to sell the ref. Grabe.
Fridge. Tapos,
Yes.
tingnan nyo yung
We're going to ibenta din namin tong bebe na to. Huy. Oh, cross legs. Lying on the couch, ha? Sarap ng buhay mo. Dito naman tayo sa laundry. Ibenta namin ng washing machine, dryer. Grabe no, mahirap maglipat bansa. Lipat bahay, okay lang. Lipat bansa, mahirap. Green screen, I might take that with me to the Philippines. Kasi pang filming yan. Tsaka dito, we're gonna be selling off some of this stuff too. So yung glass display cabinet ko with these bookshelves, more bookshelves. Grabe. Yung mga board games ko, ibenta ko yung iba. Ito, yung desk, tsaka yung upuan, ibenta ko din yan. At tsaka itong mga gamit, ito, mga Dungeons and Dragons miniatures, tsaka booster packs. Grabe, marami akong gamit. We eventually decided kasi na dito lang muna kami magstay. Pero ngayon, parang hindi ako masyadong fulfilled dito sa Australia. Mas fulfilled ako dun sa Pilipinas. Mas masaya ako dun sa Pilipinas. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. I guess it's just because yung atmosphere ng Pilipinas is talagang masaya. Lahat ng tao masaya. Kahit may mga problema, masaya pa din. Yun yung parang gusto ko, environment. Tsaka, yung maganda din para kay Nitro, lumaki sa Pilipinas, sa tingin ko. Mas okay yung culture. Lahat ng mga bata gustong mag-excel sa eskwelahan nila. So medyo nalungkot din ako kasi syempre malayo na ako sa pamilya ko. At kailangan kong ibenta yung ibang mga games ko. Ito talagang hobby ko. Board games, Dungeons and Dragons, Warhammer, ganun. So it is the 1st of July and we are getting ready to leave. This whole month we'll just be preparing to leave for the Philippines. Nako! Ay nako! So, pasensya na guys, wala kaming vlog matagal na. June was a weird sort of month. And parang wala akong gana mag anything sa buong June, no?
Ako may gana, nasa channel ko.
Yeah, so ayan. Babalik na tayo. Hey, baby Nitro. Is that a train, Nitro?
Ang cute ng legs niya.
Is that a train, Nitro? Choo-choo train? Hey? Say choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Nitro says it's a mommy train and a baby train.
Is it?
You say ready? Ready?
Wait, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
Yay!
So yes, we're coming back. We're coming back very soon. August, malapit na. Isang buwan na lang. Andyan na kami at ma-meet na ni Nitro ang family ni Shanta sa wakas. 2 years old na siya. And he's only just going to meet them. Sana matandaan pa niya si Palolo and Palola and Tita Hali and lahat ng mga pinsan niya. Pero 2 years old lang siya. Wala akong memory nung 2 years old.
Pero may videos naman siya.
Yes.
You
Yan
watch
yung
the videos.
maganda sa YouTube, no? He has
Tapos
videos.
may FaceTime. So,
Ayan.
Nitro, look.
Yeah, funny.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Mwah. Good boy.
Oh no.
Alright guys, kita-kita sa sunod na video natin. Bye for now.
Beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling.